Ever wondered how some people seem to effortlessly build wealth while others struggle to make ends meet? Well, get ready to uncover the secrets to financial success without all the confusing jargon. Today, we're diving into The Automatic Millionaire by David Bach, a book that's about to change the way you think about money. So, grab a cuppa and let's get started. Lesson number 1, appearance versus wealth. Ever caught yourself scrolling through social media, feeling like everyone else is living the high life while you're barely making ends meet? Well, here's the truth. Looks can be deceiving. In The Automatic Millionaire, we learn that just because someone flaunts fancy cars or extravagant vacations doesn't mean they're rolling in dough. In fact, many folks who seem loaded are actually drowning in debt. Think about it. Do you want to be flashy or financially secure? That's the real question. Wealth isn't about the brand of your clothes or the model of your car. It's about what's in your bank account and your peace of mind. Imagine meeting someone who looks like they stepped out of a magazine but struggles to pay their bills. It happens more often than you think. So next time you see someone living large online, remember, true wealth isn't about appearances. It's about smart financial choices and stability. Don't be fooled by the glitz and glamour. Focus on building your own solid foundation for a prosperous future. Lesson number 2, avoiding getting quick-rich schemes. Let's talk about the allure of get-rich-quick schemes. You know the ones. They promise overnight success with minimal effort. But here's the reality check. Those schemes are more likely to leave you broke than make you wealthy. In The Automatic Millionaire, we're urged to steer clear of these tempting shortcuts. Instead, it's all about playing the long game. Think about it like planting a garden. You can't expect a bountiful harvest overnight. It takes time, effort, and patience to see those seeds grow into something substantial. So, forget about chasing after quick fixes and focus on building a solid financial foundation. Educate yourself on sustainable wealth-building strategies that stand the test of time. Trust me, slow and steady wins the race when it comes to securing your financial future. Lesson number 3, managing income and expenses. Money management isn't just for the wealthy. It's a skill everyone needs. It's easy to fall into the trap of believing that a higher income guarantees financial security, but the truth is, without proper financial management, even the biggest paychecks can disappear fast. By taking control of your spending habits and making smart choices with your money, you can build a solid foundation for long-term wealth. Whether you're earning a little or a lot, it's essential to track your expenses, prioritize your needs over wants, and look for opportunities to save. Remember, it's not about how much money you make, it's about how effectively you manage it. By being mindful of your spending and making conscious decisions with your finances, you can set yourself up for financial success and achieve your long-term goals. Lesson number 4, paying yourself first. We learn the power of paying yourself first, a simple yet incredibly effective strategy for building wealth. Before you start paying bills or splurging on luxuries, it's essential to set aside a portion of your income for savings. Think of it as investing in your future self. By prioritizing personal savings, you're not only building a financial safety net, but also setting the stage for long-term wealth accumulation. Paying yourself first isn't just about setting aside money for a rainy day. It's about making yourself a priority. By making saving a non-negotiable part of your budget, you're taking control of your financial destiny and laying the groundwork for a secure financial future. So whether you're stashing cash in a savings account, contributing to a retirement fund, or investing in assets that appreciate over time, remember, every dollar you save today is an investment in your tomorrow. Lesson number 5, avoiding impulse spending. It's all too easy to get caught up in the allure of shiny new things, but those impulse buys can wreak havoc on your financial health. That's why it's essential to set up automatic savings mechanisms to help you stay on track with your financial goals. By automating your savings, you remove the temptation to spend money impulsively and make it easier to stick to your budget. Whether you're setting up recurring transfers to a savings account, enrolling in employer-sponsored retirement plans, or investing in automatic investment apps, automating your savings is a powerful way to build wealth over time. So the next time you're tempted to splurge on something you don't need, remember, every dollar you save today is a step closer to achieving your financial dreams. Lesson number 6. Home ownership versus renting. The age-old debate, should you rent or buy? It's a question that's been puzzling people for generations. On one hand, renting offers flexibility. You're not tied down to a mortgage, and if something goes wrong, it's your landlord's problem, not yours. But here's the thing. When you rent, you're essentially throwing money away every month without building any equity. Enter home ownership. Sure, buying a house comes with its own set of challenges, mortgages, property taxes, maintenance. But in the long run, it can be a smart investment. When you own a home, you're not just paying for shelter, you're investing in your future. Plus, as property values appreciate over time, you can build equity and increase your net worth. Lesson number 7. Managing debt effectively. Let's talk about debt, shall we? It's something that almost everyone deals with at some point in their lives. But if you're not careful, it can quickly spiral out of control. We're learning how to manage debt effectively. Whether it's credit card debt, student loans, or a mortgage, the key is to keep it in check and avoid accumulating more than you can handle. After all, the longer you carry debt, the more it costs you in interest. So, how do you tackle debt head-on? It starts with making a plan. Take stock of your debts, prioritize them based on interest rates, and come up with a strategy for paying them off. Whether you choose the snowball method, paying off the smallest debts first, or the avalanche method, tackling the highest interest debts, the important thing is to stick with it and stay committed to becoming debt-free. Lesson number 8. Building an emergency fund. Life is full of unexpected twists and turns, and if you're not prepared, those surprises can wreak havoc on your finances. Think of your emergency fund as your financial safety net. A stash of cash you can fall back on when life throws you a curveball. Whether it's a sudden job loss, a medical emergency, or a major car repair, having an emergency fund can give you peace of mind knowing that you're prepared for whatever comes your way. But here's the thing. Not all emergency funds are created equal. While stashing cash under your mattress might seem like a good idea, it's not the most effective way to make your money work for you. Instead, consider putting your emergency fund in an interest-bearing account, where it can grow over time and provide even more financial security. Lesson number 9. Giving back. When you give to others, whether it's through charitable donations, volunteering your time, or supporting causes you believe in, you're not just making a difference in the world. You're also fostering a sense of connection, purpose, and fulfillment within yourself. After all, there's something truly special about knowing that you've made a positive impact on someone else's life, no matter how big or small. But here's the thing, not all giving is created equal. Before you open your wallet or offer your time, it's important to do your homework and make sure your contributions are going to organizations and causes that align with your values and priorities. Whether it's researching charities, asking questions, or seeking out opportunities to get involved locally, taking the time to give wisely can ensure that your contributions have the greatest possible impact. Ready to take control of your financial future? Dive deeper into the world of financial wisdom and book summaries by exploring more videos on our channel. Remember, the key to success lies in knowledge and action. Start empowering yourself today.